from Gadgets Pro, and today I am going to tell you something interesting about video editing, that is how to make cinematic videos from your mobile using KineMaster video editor. So first of all, open empty project and select a video from media browser. After this, you need to drag a layer of black background, then click on split screen and choose third one option and drag upwards and stretch it to full video. After this, duplicate this project and click on second one and split screen and same process with this black background. Let's check for by playing the video how it's looking. This is not enough. We need to make something interesting in this video, so let's drag a black background and place it through middle after animation and drag it to upwards for fully, and again we need to proceed this process again, but this time we need to drag the black background downwards. So drag it downwards. So let's check by playing this video how it's looking. I think this is enough for our video. Let's export this video to our gallery. So let's play this video in full screen. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and for upcoming second part of this video, that is how to use chroma key and what is chroma key. Thank you.